channel. My name is Radhika. Welcome to BeautiCo. What's up? What's going on? So today I wanted to share this beautiful glowy Indian festival look. It's super duper easy to do. It looks so put together. It's so glowy. I love it. I feel like it's the perfect look for Diwali because it's a festival of lights. So yeah, if you want to know how I achieved this look, please keep watching. But before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you all get notified every single time I upload. I tell you all to actually press the notification bell button because it might get lost in the feed. So YouTube is weird like that, so you have to press the notification bell if you all want to see my videos every single time I upload. So anyway, now let's just quickly get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so I just came from a bath and I applied this mask. This is the lemon citron mask from the Face Shop. I want my face to glow, and since it's in a festival look, I want my skin to look very very good. So I can't really talk in my mask right now, and it's time for me to remove, so I'm gonna remove and come back. These masks are so hydrating. Can you see how beautiful my skin is looking right now? So I'm also going to apply lip balm. So this is how I usually prep before I start with makeup. I'm using this Nykaa's lip balm. This is in the chocolate hazelnut flavor, and I like it. Like, it does hydrate my lips. So yeah. So I did ask you guys on my Instagram what makeup look you all would like to see for this Diwali season, and I asked you all whether you all want glam but creative or whether you all want glam but easy, and most of you guys said, like 73% of you said that you all want glam but easy, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna start off with primer because I want my makeup to last longer. For that I'm using this NYX Total Drop Primer. I love this primer. It's hydrating, it blurs out my pores, and it makes my makeup last all day long. It does not let my oil seep through. If you're an oily girl, try this one out, and I think this is going to suit a normal skin type and a dry skin type as well. An amazing primer, you guys. This just gets the blood flowing on your face. That's why I like to pat my skin. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my trusty foundation. This is the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. As you guys can see that my foundation is in a very very bad state. I absolutely love this foundation for everyday wear. It's very very lightweight, very long lasting, and it does not feel cakey whatsoever. It actually looks like skin. That is why I love this foundation, and especially for, again, oily skin, I want a foundation which is not going to let my oil seep through. This is definitely my top 5 oily skin foundations. Let me know in the comment box below whether you'll want to see a video where I show you my top 5 favorite foundations. So I'm just gonna legit drop it. And then with my beauty blender, I'm using the Sigma Spawn. I love this, you guys. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I know it's a little difficult to buy Sigma products, but you can order it from their website. Only thing is that you all will have to pay customs. But if you can get your hands on this one, if someone is there in the US, outside India, do try this sponge out, guys. Oh my god, I love it. The face mask has done wonders to my skin. It looks so smooth and healthy. I just want y'all to see how beautiful my skin looks right now. It's so glowy. So for concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Full Coverage Camouflage Concealer in the shade C12. I've been using this concealer a lot lately, and I actually, the shade is a little bit dark, but I like to mix it with another concealer. This is the Kiko concealer that I had shown you all in my haul video. This is the Kiko concealer, and this is a lot lighter. So, and it's very very light coverage, so it does lighten the shade of this particular concealer, and it gives me such a flawless finish. This particular concealer is very full coverage, so make sure you use very less of this. So now what I like to do is just take my ring or my any finger and just, you know, spread this particular concealer. And then I'm gonna take the Kiko concealer and just apply it like pretty generously, because this is gonna like literally get absorbed on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, on this area, this area, this area. So now it looks like a lot of concealer, but we're gonna blend it out. So now to set everything, I am going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. So I'm going to bake with this under my eyes. Wherever I apply the concealer, I'm going to bake with it, and I'm not going to set the rest of my face. I'm just going to use the same powder which I used to bake to spread it all over my face and set my face. So till the time it is baking, I am going to finish up my eyebrows. For that, I'm using my Brow by Benefit. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using this PAC Matte Eyeshadow Palette. This is what it looks like. And I am going to be taking this particular shade right here on my PAC 032 blending brush. It's a very fluffy blending brush. And I'm just going to lightly brush this color all over my face. So I want to add a little bit of sparkle, glitter, like that shiny glittery look. For that, I am going to be switching my palettes, and I'm going to be using this NYX Love You So Mochi palette. This is what it looks like, and this is a sleek and chic palette. So this is what the palette looks from the inside. Oh my god, this palette, you guys. The moment I used this palette, I was in love. I just want to show you the pigmentation on this particular palette. So I'm just swatching these two shades. These two are like my favorite shades from this palette, and do you see that? Oh my god, you guys. And this particular shade is like dreamy, you guys. Just look at that shade. So I'm going to be using those two shades today. So I'm just taking the same, that coppery shade on my Proa 217 brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it, like ledge it in my crease, and just like, you see that shade. Oh my god, I love this shade. And I'm just gonna like spread it a little bit in my transition area, but not too high. I'm just gonna keep it right here in the crease, and also in my outer corners. I'm gonna leave the inner corners empty because I want to use the upper shade. And I'm also gonna take the same brush that we used earlier and I'm gonna blend these shades out. Then what I'm going to do is going to take this shade right here on my fingers itself, and I'm going to be applying this shade in my inner corners. You see that shade? I love, legitimately love this shade. And I'm then again going to take my brush and let me blend this out. So that's how much I would like to do on my eyes. I'm going to keep it very simple, and I'm Now I'm going to take the same color that we took from the PAC Eyeshadow Palette on a very small brush, the PAC 202 brush, and I'm going to apply this particular shade on my lower lash line. And then we're going to finish off our eyes with a little bit of mascara. I'm not going to apply false lashes because I know that a lot of you guys out there do not know how to apply lashes, struggle with it, are not comfortable with it. And let me tell you, I'm also not comfortable with it most of the times because I struggle applying lashes because I legit, like, I water from my eyes, and right here my lashes never stick. So I'm going to be using my mascara. This is my trusty mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. And I'm also going to be using another mascara, the Lash Paradise Mascara. And I'm going to like add double coats of both these. So till the mascara is drying, I'm going to move on to the rest of my face. For that, I'm using my bronzer first. I'm going to bronze and contour both. So for that, I'm using my Milani bronzer. This is the XL bronzer. And this is what it looks like. So it does have a contour side and it does have a bronzing side. So first we're going to use the contour side. So for that, I'm just using this flat brush right here. It's a very dense brush. So it will help me to place the product very, very precise. You see that it's like really placing the product very precisely. So I've just roughly placed it. I've not blended it out. Let's do the same thing on our nose. On the jawline as well. So now I'm just gonna take the angled brush and the bronzing side, and I'm just gonna like place it right above the contour and just blend everything out. And then comes the best part, that is the highlighter. For highlighter, I'm again using the NYX Love You So Mochi collection. This is Lit Life. So this is what it looks from the inside, and I'm going to be using this highlighter right here. So I'm just taking my fan brush. This is a random fan brush, and I'm taking the gold shade first and just... So this highlighter is a little bit glittery, so make sure you know that before purchasing it, but I don't mind glittery highlighters. As you guys can see, it looks so beautiful. I think I'm going to mix that pinky shade in the highlighter part and just make it a little bit more on the pinkier side because it should match my makeup. So I'm just highlighting everywhere. And then let's highlight our inner corners as well. I'm taking the rose gold shade for that. The brow bone region. So now that we look like a glowy disco ball, we need to set everything so that it melts into our skin. For that, I'm just using my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray. You all can use any setting spray. The Milani one is good, the NYX one is good. You can even use rose water or whatever you all like just to melt everything. So for lips, first I'm going to line them with my NYX Suede Liner in the shade Soft Spoken. And for lipstick, I am going to take Nyka's Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Diana. How this looks. Oh, I love this color. So this is the final result. I just want to wear some earrings right now. So I'm wearing these beautiful jhumki that I got from Sia, a store called Sia. I will link everything in the description box below. My kurta, the dress that I'm wearing, the makeup that I'm wearing, my earrings, if they go inside my ear. So guys, this is the final result. I love how my makeup turned out. It's super glowy, super festive, super easy to do. I hope you guys try it out, and if you do, don't forget to tag me in your photos so that I can see what recreations y'all have done. So that's it. I'll see y'all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye!